There are many people in Singapore who actually don't have access to technology. And Singapore has one of the fastest growing elderly populations in the world. So we wanted to work with them and help them. We all use too much stuff in the world. We have lots of phones at home that we just discard and leave. So take the old phone, what could we do with that? Could we repurpose it so that it becomes really helpful for somebody? And Singtel help us with finding those phones, so getting their customers donating the phone, us then building applications that are specifically designed for the elderly, so that it becomes something that is really an inspiration for them and something that could be part of their daily lives and help them.
我的名字叫 Katrina Chia， 我今年76，我感觉心里很高兴，我才拿到这样的电话。这个电话帮助我很多，有时我太空前可以玩游戏，还有我可以打电话给朋友，有时有事情紧急的事情，我们还可以打 Millennium Fly， 什么都可以啊。这种科技很好啊，这个每一天我都要开来看，看看他给我什么。 我要谢谢新爹送给我这个电话，我要开始学了。
It's great for recycling an old phone that you wouldn't do anything with anyway, and it's really doing something very, very good for somebody who hasn't got access to that technology.